Florida box.
Today we're going to Blizzard Beach. Woo! I'm so excited.
It's actually closing today, so we got the last day.
Yeah. Well, it's the closing for refurbishment over the winter. But Taffy Lagoon will be open, but this one's our stay today. So yeah, we're really excited. Got a few questions. I'm going to go straight to Summit Plummet.
No.
So to get to Blizzard Beach, you have to take the Animal Kingdom bus and then transfer it to Blizzard Beach bus. So the next bus is coming at 43 and it's 21, so we've got quite a while. Hour of being on the bus because we had to get the bus to Animal Kingdom and then bus here. We've arrived finally here. If you didn't know what Blizzard Beach is, it's a WATERPARK,
and it's got it's got one of the biggest water rides. It's like the second biggest, isn't it? The third or fourth
in the world. Yeah, it's like huge. It's called Summit Plummet.
It's got 120 feet.
Yeah, and you go for 5 miles per hour. And you go straight down. It's really cool. It's huge.
We're going to get a refillable cup that we can use in Blizzard Beach and Taffy Lagoon.
So it worked out to be $12.77.
We are sitting in the kids area because we always sit like here every single time because it's just easier, because when Ava wants to go in the pool or something, she can always be seen. I'll just show you where we're sitting now. This is where we're sitting. We have a little like circle. Then over here, this is what we can see.
First ride of the day. Summit Plummet. We are completely dry. But this is the first time we're going to enter the water. It's warm in the sun, but it's cold in the shade, so we're not that hot yet. Ready, and we've done all the slides already, and it's 12:20. We're just going to go into the wave pool now and do the lazy river. But we've basically done all the slides because the red slope's closed and the green slope has the Shingosha and Teamboat Springs, and you've seen that. And then the purple slope has the downhill dipper, which we haven't done, but we're not. The queue's big for that. Yeah, that one always has a big queue. It always takes ages because the rains don't come up quick enough. On the dining pad, so no charge. Woo! Should have been about $25, so but we got the dining pad, so you don't have to pay anything. It's Got a tip. They are massive though.
We are leaving Blizzard Beach now, and we're going 20 to 2, and we've already done everything. We're going to play
Winter Summerland miniature golf. Yeah.
So you can either do winter.
She's gonna dab.
You can oh, Ava's gonna dab.
What? I was like a speed dab.
Yeah. So what I was saying, there's winter or summer, and we're gonna do summer. We did winter last time. We did winter. So we couldn't do golf. Fail. Because there's a 55-minute wait, and we
did play golf.
we're going to Epcot this afternoon, so we have to.
We haven't got time.
No, we haven't got time. We're going to go back to the hotel now. But I thought Ava was going to walk into that
I'm gonna
person.
destroy you all on test track.
Yeah, we've got some fast passes booked for this afternoon anyway, so we've got to get back for them. So we're going to Epcot, and we've got a meal, haven't we? And we've got some fast passes. But we're getting on the bus now. Ava's looking really cute. And we got some space buns. They look cool.
It's the Alpha armpit.
Are you cute? We are coming up to the bag search and security for Epcot. Basically, our bus broke down in the middle of the road.
And it went over this massive bump, and it was like,
I think it broke, to be honest. It was funny. I've got my jacket on because it's cold. Well, it's not that cold.
not cold.
Like, it's not like 6 degrees like it is in England. It's like,
It's not as cold.
it's like. So in Epcot, it's the Food and Wine Festival at the moment. So they've got loads of decorations for the Food and Wine Festival. What? Oh, we're having a film. We've arrived at Test Track, and we're dead excited. Test Track is our first fast pass in Epcot this time, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So, and Ava's actually going in it. Yeah. Ava just had photos on the bubblegum wall for our intro that you've probably just seen.
So we're going to build my car, ready to go on test track.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Jordan got 207. We got, what did we get? 208. Woohoo! We win, we win.
Mission Space and Test Track, because we've obviously seen some clips from Test Track. And now we're going to our reservation in Mexico for some food. We went on the orange mission, and Ava went on it. You can see it back there. We went to Mars, and they've got all the G-force and everything like you take it off.
It made you feel so sick.
You can't lift your arms up when you're going up. It's really, really
And
nice.
Andrew.